Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales at 23:01 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. Japan's coincident index will be released at 5 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Gold prices rebounded and were headed for a weekly gain, helped by a retreat in the US dollar and safe haven inflows. As US President Donald Trump's deadline for trade deals loomed, dollar index slipped 0.2%. OPEC Plus agreed to raise production by 548,000 barrels per day in August, further accelerating output increases at its first meeting since oil prices jumped and then retreated, following Israeli and US attacks on Iran. Sterling notched a weekly loss on Friday, marking a lackluster end to a week that saw fiscal and political uncertainties rattle investor appetite for UK assets. Traders expect the Bank of England to lower borrowing costs by 25 basis points next in September.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
The dollar dipped a slight 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 1% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.